procedure did you undergo at Tara Healthcare?
बेसिकली मैं पुणे से हूँ और मैं तारा हेल्थ केयर में मैंने लाइपोसेक्शन एंड टमी टक एंड हैंड का भी टकिंग कराया है लाइपोसेक्शन के साथ। एंड माय टोटल एक्सपीरियंस वाज रियली गुड। मैंने ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेशन किया था डॉक्टर के साथ, तो उन्होंने पूरा अंडरस्टैंड करके लिया कि मुझे व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई एम लुकिंग फॉर। एंड मुझे उन्होंने भरोसा दिलाया कि आप आ जाओ और हम जो भी प्रोसीजर है वो आपके जैसे डिजायर रिजल्ट है वैसे होगा। एंड आई एम प्रीटी मच हैप्पी विद दैट कि उन्होंने जो भी प्रोसीजर किया है वो बहुत ही लाइक मेरे डिजायर जो रिजल्ट था उसके एकदम एग्जैक्टली सेम है। एंड स्टाफ सर सब लोग बहुत अच्छे, बहुत कोऑपरेट करते हैं। सो आई थिंक जो भी ये प्रोसीजर थ्रू जाना चाहता है दिस इज द राइट प्लेस टू डू। एंड या आई हाईली रिकमेंड। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
कितने दिन हो गए अभी?
It's been 13 days, I guess. हाँ.
Okay. And how was the pain after the surgery?
It was very minimal. Like इतना मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा फील नहीं हुआ. And staff was there who was taking good care of me. So मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ फील नहीं हुआ. And I'm doing everything by own after 8 days only. Like.
Excellent.
Yes.
So I'm sure surgery से पहले you underwent a tummy tuck and an arm lift.
Yes.
You must have had a lot of anxiety. You were scared before the surgery.
I was little bit scared, but मुझे सर पे ट्रस्ट था। उन्होंने पहले ही इसमें बोला था कि you can trust on me and you just need to come over here. We'll see and we'll take care of everything. And उन्होंने वैसे ही किया। So I was pretty much convinced at first place only. So मुझे तो थोड़ा anxiety था because कितना पेन होगा वो मुझे पता नहीं था, but it is like a bearable, nothing much.
A lot of patients have that, they are really scared, especially for patients who come across India or from outside India. उनको डर रहता है कि I'm going to a place where I don't know the people. Am I safe? Am I this? So how did you feel about that?
100% it is safe. You can trust on doctor. He'll understand everything. He's quite friendly. You will never feel uncomfortable. आप कुछ भी उनको बोल सकते हो. So feel free. उनसे बात करो. उनको बताओ what you are looking for. He'll definitely understand and you can trust on him. You can come overseas as well. You don't need to worry about anything because the staff is so helpful. They'll help you out with the staying, accommodation. You might need a helper. They'll arrange everything. You can trust on them. Like you just need to do one thing. You need to trust on them. You need to have little bit capacity ki I'm going to undergo through surgery. So any surgery is there. It is little bit painful. ऐसे दुनिया में कोई सर्जरी नहीं है जिसमें बिल्कुल भी पेन नहीं होता. So you need to make your mind कि थोड़ा तो दर्द होगा. But if you can do that, this is the right place to come and do the surgery.
Right. No, we have also felt that along with the best possible care that we can give, it's also important that the patient also comes with a very positive mindset. And when we see and operate people like you who have come from far away to get their surgery with a good positive mindset, you can also see it in the results.
Yeah.
You can see that the healing is faster. It must be the endorphins which are helping you heal faster, and all these things contribute to an overall better healing process and an overall positive outlook to the entire procedure. So I think the person or having patients like you also makes a huge difference in the overall outcome of the surgery.
True. But I think कि जो इंसान ये कराने का सोचता है उनका माइंड पहले से बना रहता है. Just you need लोगों का ये रहता है कि you can't trust like because it is like सर्जरी है तो कोई भी सर्जरी है तो पहला फैक्टर आता है कि ट्रस्ट, और वही मुझे बताना है कि यू कैन ट्रस्ट ऑन डॉक्टर. अगर आप ट्रस्ट नहीं करोगे तो आप हमेशा डायलेमा में रहोगे कि मैंने राइट किया, रॉन्ग किया. सो जस्ट ट्रस्ट करो, कुछ ज़्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट कम एंड डू इट. Because I can't wait for my journey. Like आगे जाके जो भी अभी मेरा after this transformation, I can't wait to see myself. Thank you so much, doctor.